In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable multi-currency in Zoho Books step by step. If you work with international clients, receive payments from different countries, or send invoices in multiple currencies, enabling the multi-currency feature in Zoho Books is essential. It allows you to manage transactions in different currencies while keeping your accounting accurate and organized. The good news is that Zoho Books makes this process very simple once you know where to find the setting. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to turn on multi-currency, how to add a new currency, and what to check so everything works correctly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the Zoho Books dashboard, look toward the top right corner or the main navigation area and find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings to open your accounting configuration panel. Inside the Settings page, you will see several sections that control how your Zoho Books organization works, including taxes, preferences, users, and currencies. What you want to do here is locate the option called Currencies. Click on Currencies to open the Currency Management page. This section allows you to control which currencies your organization can use for invoices, expenses, and transactions. If you have not added additional currencies yet, you will normally see only your base currency listed here. To enable another currency, look for the button that says Plus New Currency. Go ahead and click the New Currency button to begin adding a currency to your account. A form will appear asking you to choose the currency details. The first field you will see is the currency code. Click the drop-down menu and select the currency you want to add. For example, if you want to invoice customers in the United States, you can select USD, which stands for United States Dollar. Zoho Books supports many international currencies, so you can choose whichever currency matches the country you do business with. Once you select the currency code, you'll notice that the currency symbol automatically fills in. This happens because Zoho Books already knows the standard symbol used for that currency. For example, if you select USD, the symbol will automatically appear as the dollar sign. This helps keep your invoices and financial records formatted correctly without extra manual setup. After confirming the currency code and symbol, the final step is very simple. Just click the Save button to add the currency to your Zoho Books organization. Once saved, that currency will now be available when creating invoices, recording payments, or managing international customers. You can repeat this same process anytime you need to add additional currencies for other countries or markets. One important thing to remember is that your base currency cannot be changed once transactions exist, so make sure your primary accounting currency is correct before adding others. Zoho Books will automatically handle exchange rate tracking, which helps maintain accurate financial reporting even when working with multiple currencies. And that's all it takes to enable and add multi-currency support in Zoho Books. It only takes a few clicks and it makes managing international business much easier. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting software guides, and simple step-by-step tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.